Well, good afternoon, or morning, or evening. Oh, have you lost all focus? Are you totally obsessed with gaming, reading your phone, texting, and all that? Well, I have something that could help you out. A quick way to prepare vegetables for roasting. Yes, and everyone who doesn't like courgettes or zucchini will love this. My husband's helping me today. We had one giant courgette or zucchini and a few little tomatoes, and he is grating some Parmesan cheese for me. Isn't he lovely? There he goes. He's gone into fast mode. People from Britain can do that, you know, and they're also excellent at peeling garlic. Don't let them say they can't do it to get out of helping you. You know they can do it. They can do it. And there he goes. Clean that garlic. Do it, do it, do it. I'm not doing too bad cutting up those zucchini, courgette, tomatoes, etc. I wonder why it has two names like that. Well, I'm microwaving the garlic for like a minute just to get it a bit soft. Then, yes, give me the bowl. Put everything in the bowl and, I guess 3 tablespoons of oil on it and a giant teaspoon of oregano over the top. So that's it. And some pepper. Mix it up. Put it on a grease-proof paper on a baking sheet, or if you don't have that kind of paper, just put on wax paper or foil, or if you don't have that, just use the baking sheet. Spread out your Parmesan. This looks like it could be a half a cup compressed. Put it into the oven, very high heat. I had it at 200°C, 400°F. Wow, 20 minutes, and it's beautiful. Everything's cooked. Didn't have to pre-cook it, didn't have to pre-boil it or anything. Just do that. And it tastes so good. You won't believe this. And kids will love this. I guarantee. It is fantastic.